How to repost a video on X Twitter without retweeting. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can repost a video on X, formerly known as Twitter, without retweeting it. If you've got a fantastic video you want to share on your timeline without cluttering it with retweet, you are in the right place. First of all, go ahead and open your X application or visit X website. Make sure to log into your account, and once you're here, find the tweet containing the video you want to repost. Once you have located the tweet with the video, tap on the share icon. This will open up the sharing option. In the sharing option, look for copy link tab. This action copies the link to the tweet with the video to your clipboard. Now, tap on the leaves or plus button and compose a new tweet on your profile. You could add captions or comments to go along with the video. Your reposting and tweet composition box, just paste the link that you copied, and lastly, hit the post button to share the video on your timeline. This way you have reposted a video without officially retweeting it. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.